to be here, bro.
My boy. So, Alpha Capital, right?
Yeah.
Fucking motherfuckers. So, let the people know how is your situation with Alpha Capital. They kind of know my points,
Yeah.
but I guess your story is the best to really explain what those motherfuckers are up to. So, let the people know, bro.
So basically, what happened is I got funded, as you know, in 3
Yeah.
weeks.
Yeah.
Easy job, as usual. And right when I got funded, the KYC proof, as usual.
Yeah.
And because I'm from Czech Republic and I was in Indonesia, they just tell me basically that I'm not allowed to trade from Indonesia and I'm not allowed to trade from multiple countries. I don't know why,
Which is crazy.
which is crazy, yeah.
Because I was about to say, the same time he got funded, there was a top 1, top 2 trader, which was on the week leaderboard and having the best payout, and
From
from
Indonesia.
Indonesia.
From Indonesia, yeah.
And yeah, what was the reason they gave you for the ban?
Basically, the first day denied my KYC,
Yeah.
and the reason was I was trading from 2 countries, which was never shared on their website and stuff. And after that, they banned me. So when I asked them about the ban, there was no reason, no response. So I'm just banned, and I cannot trade no more with them.
Crazy, bro. Crazy. And we've put kind of a bit of money into Alpha Capital as well.
Yeah.
I've put in some challenges. I've got 100k verification with them still, and people have been knowing in the channel my opinion about Alpha Capital. Like back in the day, there was top 3 maybe, good
Yeah.
conditions. Every influencer was sharing them as a top, but like as we move forward, like the conditions started to get bad. I
Really
started
bad.
to get slipped on the EU
Yeah.
consistently. The spreads wasn't raw no more,
Yeah.
and I was kind of calling it because I had experience there with funding engineer, and a lot of people ask me like, "What's funding engineer?" Exactly.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, you can kind of predict with these prop firms, like once they start to go bad and they had the perfect conditions, it's just them trying to get some liquidity, some last little money out of people, because they most likely going into bankrupt. And who knows when this video comes out if they're still on or not,
Yeah.
or if they're still releasing a bunch of discounts just to get that
Yeah.
little bit of cash back.
Every month is 30%.
Yeah, every month is 30%, every holiday, fucking. Just because it's Friday, it's 30%.
Yeah.
I don't know with them, but like, so what prop firms are you kind of looking at right now? Or what's your opinion on the space?
Yeah.
So I think the space is still like good. I would say like the number 1 is FTMO, as always. Czech based. And I don't know. I would look for a prop firm where it's like not that much like sales.
Yeah.
Like offers maybe 10% max. I would say E8. It's also good, my opinion. I know there is a lot of them. I'll be maybe little bit skeptical about some US ones. Because we got like my Forex funds, funded trader, and all of these other bullshit which got fucked.
Yeah.
So yeah, I would look for good price, good conditions, and some reviews. You can check it on Trustpilot, and you can fake it also.
Yeah.
But if the company got like mostly 5 stars and it's like from like different people, you can see the company is worth it. And if they are like a little bit pricey,
Yeah.
it's most likely good quality.
Yeah.
What about you, man?
I mean, yeah, I was about to say, like, right now in the space, you guys gotta see it. Like most of you are looking for the cheapest ones, and there really needs to be a balance between the prop firm and the customer and the traders. Because back in the day, it used to be like all the power in the prop firms, and now it's all in the traders. So the challenges are pretty much super easy for the traders to pass, which makes it hard for the prop firm to sustain its business. So right now, what I'm looking at, I'm trading with E8. I'm trading with 4Traders, which is check based, recommended by you. And I would say FTMO, best, the best. You can't go wrong with them. And yeah, there's a few ones out there, but I don't want to risk my name into it, you know, and just want to test things out first. But these are the ones which are looking kind of decent. And yeah, as far as the prop space, I still think props are gonna remain. Still think the industry has a future, and we looking at IC markets, Oanda, Blueberry having their own prop firms now, which it doesn't technically mean they're legit though, because like can be just a crash grab, and some of their challenges, I think their challenges are kind of difficult as well, and expensive as a motherfucker. But like, I mean, they have the name for it. It's kind of like FTMO. But let's see, man. The space is still promising, but I don't know. We'll be here to leverage it out, get some payouts. We're in Thailand, you know, and yeah. But what you guys say to Alpha Capital if they were watching right now?
Alpha Capital. You fucking motherfuckers. That's what I'm gonna say. Because you like ban me for no reason. Like if you gave me at least reason, we good. Nah, but in terms of like prop firms, I think it's really still a good like business. But I think the challenges will be harder in the future, you know? Like back in the days it was like 10%, some time limit, so it was kind of not impossible, it was really hard to pass it. So I think we are going kind of back to old times, you know, with them.
And with Alpha Capital,
What you
motherfucker.
gonna say about
like maybe people back there are defending Alpha Capital, but like Thomas didn't really like pass the challenge in one go, right? It was really
3 weeks?
no, but it was 3 weeks, but it wasn't like
Multiple
all in
trades.
one go and risky, super risky. It
No,
was
no,
like
no.
multiple trades,
trades.
1% risk,
2% on challenge, 1%
everything like that.
verification.
I'll leave the link to Thomas' channel in the description,
Yeah, check it out, guys.
and also the video where he got banned by Alpha Capital, which details it further, where how we got funded and how it was not gambling per se.
No.
And but you can resume if you want.
Yeah. Basically, it was the rules and the stuff was all like met, you know. It wasn't gambling. It was nothing. So you can check the video down below. It's like it's gonna tell basically everything what you need to hear about them.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm gonna also posting some tips how to get funded, how to be profitable, you know, some mindset tips. So for sure you can check it out.
Yeah. Definitely check it out, boys, because like his content is edited way better than mine, and he's really pushing the YouTube, and it's gonna be growing. So,
Sure.
Thomas, pleasure to have you on,
Thank you, bud.
and see you guys on the next one.
See you.